Okay, Santo. Uh, Number 2, part 2. We were talking about the choice of font and capitals. Okay, here. The font utilized to express the excuse used for doing it is selected in an intelligent manner. Okay, it's a display font. I gave you an infographic on fonts. It's a display font to replicate childish handwriting. Now, what effect is that? What emotional connection is that making? It's making the connection of the immaturity of people who use that excuse. I don't think it does use incorrect grammar and misplaced capital letters and general clumsiness. That's not actually right. And then this is contrasted with the capitalized grow up, command language of the phrase grow up. What kind of font is this? It's not a display font. Okay, so it's a contrasting font. It's not a babyish font. Again, this is the command language of adults, indicating the peer pressure, the social unacceptability of indulging in this behavior. Again, both advertisements are creating this idea that it is socially unacceptable to take this kind of risk. Yes, you said frowned upon by the public, so it's socially unacceptable. And that should really be in visual elements because it's choice of font and capitals. But you could probably do need to make sure when you talk about it that you show that you understand that grow up is command language. Sit down, stand up is command language. So it's short, forceful phrases. The language used in advertisement B, similar structure to advertisement A. Well, it's not. It's very different language because it's targeting a very different target audience. It's using, again, this colloquial, blokey Australian slang. Is it a sort of more confined target audience? It's a more specific target audience. Only people familiar with understand. Well, I think I'm English and I'm female and I understand the true meaning of the advertisement. So I think it's this classic case of everyone understands it, but it should resonate with that particular target audience more directly. Yes, so it is. It's hopefully inspiring people to take action to prevent somebody from drink driving. And is it simple language? Yeah, it's simple language in both. It's colloquial language in both, but in advertisement A, it's language used by young adult office workers as opposed to the really intensely blokey language of advertisement B. Don't use I believe or strongly believe. So this isn't really evaluating. You need to evaluate which advertisement is most effective at fulfilling its purpose. You may think that both are, but you need to be specific. You may need to just repeat or highlight a couple of things that you've already analysed and say this is what makes it the most effective. Keep it short. You just need to back it up with a bit of evidence. Okay, happy drafting.